In this video, we are going to learn how to solve problems involving logarithm for your WASSCE and WAEC maths. So guys, we have 9 repeated questions to practice with for this video. After going through this video, you'll be in a better position to tackle basically problems you will meet under logarithm. So let's get started. The first question I have here says simplify this expression. So let's get the Casio calculator to solve this. As you all know, this scientific calculator is allowed for WASSCE. Okay, mathematics. So let's solve this. The very first thing to do will be to reset this calculator to put it in default mode. So to say press shift but 9, follow the instructions, press 3, press equal to, press equal to again. Okay, so let's simplify this. We have in fraction, put it in fraction, we have log. We make use of this log button, roots 8. Okay, close the bracket, over log 4, close the bracket, minus log 2, close the bracket. So that's what we have there. Let's press equal to. We have it over 2 over 2. The right option is option B. Okay, so that's it for this question. Let's remove this and solve the next question, which is this one. It says find the value of a if log base 10a plus log base 10a square equals 0.9030. So let's bring the calculator again. So for this question, we are going to make use of the equation solver to solve this. So let's do it, guys. We have make use of this log function. We have log base 10. Alright, let's call our a here to be x. Press alpha on this button. Okay, then we have plus log base 10. Let our a be our x square. Okay, to bring out the equality sign, press alpha and this calc button equals 0.9030. So that's it, guys. To solve this, press shift and this calc button. When you get to assign s to be 0, very important, then press equal to solve this. So we have the output to be what? We have 1.99. So this is approximately 2. If you are rounding it up to the nearest whole number, this will give you 2. So the right option is question is option C. 1.99 is approximately 2. Okay, 2.0. So that's it for this question, option C. Let's remove this and solve the next question, repeat question, which is this one. It says if log base x2 equals 0.3, value log base x 8. So let's bring the calculator again. Okay, so firstly, let's get the value of x. So we are going to make use of the equation solver again. So we have log, the base is x, alpha x, okay, 2. Then we have equals, press alpha and this calc button, 0.3. Alright, so let's solve this, press shift and this calc button. When you get to assign x to be 0, very important, press equal to, and it will be solving it. Alright, so it's solving the problem for us. So we have it to be what? 10.07. Our x is 10.07. So right now we're going to substitute the value of x in this expression as to evaluate log x10, where our x is 10.079. Okay, let's leave it at 3 decimal places. So it will be log 10.079. Come to this box and put your 8. So that's what it means to solve this question. Let's press equal to now to get the output. So we have it to be was 0.9. The right option is option D. So it's as simple as this. Let's solve the next question. So guys, before you solve this question, if you are new to our channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. We really appreciate this, guys. So for this question, you say given that log base 3 to the 7 equals 2x plus 1, find the value of x. Let's bring a calculator and solve this as well. Alright, so we have log base 3, come to this place, we have 27, okay, then equals alpha and this calc button 2x alpha and this button for x plus 1. So that's it, guys. To solve this now, press shift and this calc button. When you get to assign x to be 0, very important, press equal to. So x is what? 1, option B. So that's it for this question. Let's solve the next question, which is this one. It's to simplify log root 27 over log root 81. Let's bring the calculator and solve this out. So for this question, we have in fraction log, make use of this log button, log root 27, close the bracket, give space first, over, we have log root 81. So that's what it means. Okay, so let's press equal to see the output. 2 over 4. The right option is option C. Alright, so making progress. Let's remove this and solve the next question. So it says find the number whose logarithm to base 10 is this 2.6025. Let's bring a calculator and solve this, guys. So for this question, we have logarithm. The make use of this log function. The base is 10. Come to this place and put say the logarithm whose logarithm to base 10 is. We can find a number whose logarithm to base 10 is. So guys, we're going to make use of equation solver, or rather follow me. So this will be log base 10. When you come here, this will be your x. We are looking for the x value here. Okay, equals alpha and this calc button 2.6025. Alright, so find a number whose logarithm to base 10 is this. So this is what it means. This is how you're going to present it. Let's solve this. Press shift and this calc button, assign x to be 0. Very important, press report. So we have it to be 400.4. Right option is option A. Okay, so it's as simple as this, guys. Very interesting. The next question will be this one. It says given that log base x 64 equals 3, evaluate s log base 2 8. So guys, firstly, let's find the value of x. Let's get the calculator. So we make use of the equation solver. We have log, the base is x, okay, 64 here, then equals, press alpha and this calc button 3. To solve this, press shift and this calc button, assign x to be 0. When you get here, press equal to solve this for you. So we have our x to be 4. Now let's evaluate s log base 2 8. So it will now be 4 log base 2 8. Press equal to 12. The right option is option B. It's as simple as this. The next question will be this one. So guys, the question says if log 2 equal this value and log 2 to the power y equals this value, find correct the nearest whole number, the value of y. So this question is also very simple. I'm going to show you now. Let's bring the calculator. Okay, so we have log, make use of this log function 2 to the power y. We're going to replace y with x. Firstly, let me put the power function alpha, this, come down, close the bracket, equals shift alpha and discard button. So equals what? 1.8062. To solve this, press shift and discard button. When you get to assign x to be 0, very important, press equal to solve it. So we have it to be 6.00 to the nearest whole number is 17 and 6. Right option is option C. So that's it for this question. Lastly, before I end this video, this question 10 say evaluate. So this one is also very simple. Let me show you. Let's bring the calculator. So we have in fraction log 8 close the bracket over log in fraction 1/4 close the bracket. Sorry. Okay. Press equal to -2/2. So the right option is option A. So guys, this is basically how you can deal with problems involving logarithm for your WASSCE and WASSCE Maths. It's now fast, so practice with 9 repeated questions on the logarithm. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, once more, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel for more of these videos. So like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel from what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also, ensure that you check out my other channel, Casio Calculator Tutorial, where I dive deeply on how to solve most complex logarithm questions using this Casio calculator. Alright, so ensure you check the channel out. I'm going to leave a link to the channel in the description of this video below. Click it and you take it to my channel, Casio Calculator Tutorial, where I did majorly how to solve problems using the calculator. There is a section of my channel where I dealt with mostly WASSCE math questions under various topics. So go through those videos and you'll be glad you did. Also ensure that you're part of our channel membership by clicking the join button to be part of the community there, where we share premium information and help to simplify your external exams like your WASSCE and other external exams you'll be writing. So having done that, guys, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.